this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on a specific application on your Android phone. So we can just go to the top right, and just like this, and go to Settings. And then locate Applications. Go to See All. So if the application simply isn't working for whatever reason, just find it. So let's go to Google Chrome, for example. Then go on down to Storage and Cache. Click this. And then you can go to Clear Cache right here. Now you also have the option to clear storage. We can click on this, but it's going to tell you what it's going to basically clear. So it has some stored data in here, and I think some things like maybe like your stored websites, including cookies and other locations, total data used by Chrome. So we can clear that all out. Now sometimes when you go to clear data, this is also going to clear your passwords and stuff from that specific application, and you're going to have to sign back in. So you can just see if it's a Google service kind of application, it probably won't delete your passwords and you'll still be signed in. So I just cleared it from Chrome here, and I can just try going back to that. But just check it out. It's telling me to sign back in. Who am I? Yes, I'm in. And it's not a problem. But if it's a different application, you're probably getting signed out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.